My name is Flash Isaac, and I'm a teacher from the future. When I was much younger, I saw thousands and thousands of people fail Jamb and unable to gain admission. This made me travel in time. Now I am back with the Flashlearners Jamb app and a series on YouTube tagged 120 Days to Jamb. My mission is to help you blast Jamb and as well get justice for everyone who Jamb has served breakfast. This is episode number 62 of the 120 Days to Jamb Mathematics with Flash Isaac. In this episode, we shall be looking at certain polygons questions. Remember, we are still dealing with geometry and trigonometry. In this question, we are given the interior angles of a quadrilateral and we are asked to find the least interior angle, the smallest interior angle. A quadrilateral is a four-sided figure, of course, and we know that the sum of angles in a polygon, or the sum of interior angles, precisely, sum of interior angles is n minus 2 times 180. That is the sum of interior angles, not each interior angle. And these are the interior angles. The sum is simply s plus 15 plus 2s minus 45 plus s minus 30 plus s plus 10 is equals, all the sum adding everything is equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So adding them, we have s plus 2s 3s plus s 4s plus s 5s 15 minus 45, ladies and gentlemen, that should be 30 minus 30 minus 30 minus 6 minus 30 minus 30, that is minus 60 minus 60 plus 10, that is minus 50. So 5s minus 50 is equals, n is 4, 1 2 3 4. A quadrilateral has 4 sides, so 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 180, that is 360 degrees. So 5s is equals 360 degrees, or 360 plus 50. S is what you get when you add 360 to 50, you divide that by 5. That is your value of s. But the question is not saying we should find s. If we are looking for s, option D would have been correct. That option is to deceive you. This is why you must know what you are doing. After solving, look at the question again. Is this what I was asked? Was this what I is asked? Was this what I have asked? Whatever. So, what is the least interior angle? Here will be 82 plus 15, since s is 82. Here is 2 times 82 plus 15. Here is 82 minus 15. And here is 82 plus 10. Pardon, 82 minus 30. 2 times 82 plus 2 times 82 minus 45. So 82 plus 15. What I just did was substitute the value of s. Ladies and gentlemen, anyhow you look at this, the smallest angle will be 82 minus 30 degrees, that is 52 degrees. This will give you the smallest. 82 minus 10, 82 plus 10 is definitely bigger than this. 2 times 82 minus 45 is definitely bigger than this. And 82 plus 15 is definitely bigger than this. So the least angle is 52 degrees. And the biggest angle is 2 times 82 minus 45. That one will give you 117 degrees. Here will give you 97 degrees, and here will give you 92 degrees. So the smallest is 52 degrees, as seen in option A. Ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't get more difficult than this, and I'm happy you found it understandable. So subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. Tell all your friends, broadcast the Flashlearners YouTube channel so those people will benefit from it, and install the Flashlearners Jamb app to enjoy yourself playing with more questions. So help your parents, make sure you're a good boy or girl, and make sure you're alive. See you in the next episode.